Christine McGuinness spoke out about feeling all over the place earlier this week as she discussed going through a very difficult time with her husband Paddy. But the 34-year-old model appeared to have put her recent marriage troubles behind her as she posed in a white bikini at the weekend. The mom of three looked stunning in a bandeau-style top and matching bottoms, which she paired with black sunglasses and a sheer kimono top. Taking to her Instagram story, Christine told her 661,000 followers she was having a moment to herself in the sunshine. Stunning day. Probably going to get 5 minutes out here before someone shouts me, she wrote. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. Her recent post comes after Christine, who shares twins Penelope and Leo, 9, and 6-year-old Felicity with Paddy, admitted the couple were going through a tough time. Although the Real Housewives of Cheshire star hasn't gone into detail, she insists she didn't cause this situation. Hinting there may be trouble in paradise, Christine shared a motivational quote on Instagram on Thursday which said, "Talk about trust before you talk about love." She added, "This year I met the most broken version of me, but also the strongest." Regarding the press, there is only one thing I want to make clear right now. I didn't put us in this situation. Christine said the couple are trying to work through various issues, with one source telling the Mirror, "It's been a very tough time of late." Speculation had been growing that all was not well between the pair, after they were spotted on separate holidays recently. Top Gear host Paddy jetted off to Portugal with his mates, while Christine flew out on a girls' trip to Croatia. The 48-year-old comic and TV presenter was also notably absent when wife Christine competed on reality show The Games earlier this year. Christine has insisted, "We're really good, honestly. We have had difficult times, but when I look back at our marriage and see where we are now, I think, wow, we've done all right. I first met Paddy 14 years ago and now we've got 3 gorgeous kids, we've been married for 11 years, we're both busier than ever, but doing really great stuff. I couldn't ask for anything more from him. I'm so grateful. I'm happy, I've got no complaints." But friends say the situation is different behind the scenes. The pal said, "The problems are very much current. This isn't the first time the couple's marriage has suffered a blow. Back in 2018, Paddy was pictured on a night out with singer Nicole Appleton. Recalling her heartache in her autobiography, A Beautiful Nightmare, Christine wrote, "My husband, arm in arm with another woman. I felt physically sick. I ran to the toilet to vomit. Still to this day I can remember that absolutely awful pit of your stomach feeling." At the time, she said how she forgave him for the sake of their family after her nan gave her some words of advice and told her, "Marriage is difficult. I've been through it all with Granddad, and look at us now. I wouldn't be without him." Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.